Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix a variation option not showing on the listing. When you are trying to list the product, you don't see variation option. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can list product with different colors, different sizes, or how you can list with variations. Okay, how you can list like with multiple variations. Now I'm going to be showing you can do that. Now I'm going to start listing so that I can show you first how you can find variation option. And I'm just going to try to list one of these. I'm going to try to list a product like this. I'm just going to click here on sell one like this. It's going to take me directly to here. Okay, so if you cannot see here variation option, it's very easy to fix. Okay, as you can see, I don't see here variation option. I can see it here. But if you don't see it, if you in the top right here, okay, in the three little dots here in the top right, click on it, then click on settings, and here you want to toggle on variation. Just toggle this on. That's it, and then you will be able to see variation option. Now to like list a product with different colors or sizes, just click on edit here next to variation section. And after that, you want to click here, click on add attributes here, and then you want to add your own. I'm going to add color. And then when you add color, you can also add sizes if you have like product with different sizes. Now this product has only like 4 colors. Now as you can see, I have added color. Now here it says options, create your own, which is black. I'm going to add black color, green color, yellow color, and red color, and then click on continue. Okay, so when you click on continue here, you will be able to see black, green, yellow, red, which is like the colors, and then you can price these. Just click here and then click enter price. I'm going to enter $20. Of course you can add different prices for each size or each color, whatever. I'm going to change this, for example, to $37. Okay, if you have, by the way, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Okay, just in case you don't know that, I reply to everyone. Just let me know in the comments, and then after that you want to click on save and close. That's it, guys. Okay, that's exactly, guys, how you can fix this. Hopefully this one helped you, and yeah, see you guys in the next tutorial. Drop a like, this would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.